It started with a simple but powerful idea. Every person deserves to age well and contribute to our communities as long as possible. Since 1950, NCOA has turned that idea into reality for millions of Americans.
From the birth of Medicare to the end of mandatory retirement, NCOA has been unwavering in our commitment to ensure all can age well. We have been steadfast in working to improve the health and economic well-being of all older adults, especially those struggling. Our North Star is our mission to improve the lives of millions of older adults, to empower older adults, to strengthen communities, to advocate for change. And we know that older adults need us now more than ever before.
We see the challenges and opportunities of aging in America. We listen and we act. We helped enact Medicare and the Older Americans Act, establish a national network of aging services, and halt age-based discrimination on the job.
When I think about NCOA's legacy, I think about an organization that has been patiently stewarding over 75 years this idea that every person should have the opportunity to age well, with dignity, with grace, with joy, and then creating the conditions both in our communities and in our nation to be able to do that.
We are a voice for older adults and the people who serve them. From seniors in need to senior centers to senior leaders in government and business, NCOA is a trusted messenger, sharing the real story of aging in America and calling for change.
One of the long-standing strengths of the National Council on Aging is our ability to advocate for the needs of older people, for the needs of caregivers. And we can take that message to policymakers all across the country, especially in Washington, D.C., where we have been effectively advocating for older adults in Washington since the 1960s. We are one of the organizations with the most credibility, the most access, the most long-standing support. And because our work is so hands-on and community-focused and individual-focused, we are able to listen and learn from older people, and that makes us better at advocating for older people as well.
We bring people together to solve big challenges. Our partners serve older adults and support our mission, and our funders invest in us because they know aging well matters for everyone.
We all know 2035 is such a key year because on that year, for the first time in American history, we'll have more older adults than younger people in our country. And as we all know, that's going to demand a pivot in how we care for our society and address those who have the most critical needs. Unlike any other time in history, we all now have that responsibility, and every sector included, to step in and make sure we're all at the table having the right conversation about what it's going to take to holistically provide those services and support so that people can remain in their homes and thrive and do well.
At NCOA, we are living our promise every day. The promise that all Americans age well. We believe you have a right to age well. Together, we can make that future possible. Join us.